Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. So in today's video, I am going to do a beauty haul for some of the things that I have shopped and some of the things that I've got. So let's dive right into it. I know you guys really enjoy hauls and I love doing them for you guys. So let's get started. I went to a couple of places and shopped as if I needed more makeup, but I was really tempted to get some more stuff, and I also received a couple of things from an Insta shop that I really wanted to open with you guys. So that's what this video is going to be about. The first thing, or the first things, are from Kiko. Ankita and I actually went to the Seawoods Grand Central store, and I remember her mentioning a couple of things to me that she really liked. She just bought a couple of things from the store in Noida, and she had recommended a few things, and since we were around the area, we were like, let's just shop. I actually entered the store just to pick this up, and then I got carried away and bought a lot more. The first thing that I picked up, and the reason that I went into the store, was to pick up this Kiko Lasting Gel Eyeliner. I remember her mentioning how much she liked this because of the consistency of it. It is neither too dry, neither too thick, and it's really dark. And what she loved about this is that it did not dry. She's been like using this for a really long time and it does not dry up. And the problem with gel eyeliners, usually like the Maybelline one or whatever you buy, they just dry up after some time and it's so difficult to use it. You sometimes have to like use something like a Duraline, like an Inglot Duraline, to just get it back to the consistency that it was, and it's just very annoying. So I decided to give this a go as well. So that's the first thing I bought. Then I also got this lipstick because this was, first of all, at 70% off, I think. This is from their Arctic Holiday range, and the reason why I picked this up is because when I saw the color, it instantly reminded me of my mom, and I know that she is going to love this color. It is super rich and dark. It's this deep chocolatey plum shade, and I know that she loves wearing colors like this, so I got it as a gift for her. I also really like the luxe packaging of it, and it's got like a magnet and everything, so I thought this would be quite nice for her, and I showed it to her already and she cannot wait to get her hands on it. The next thing I got is something that I absolutely fell in love in the store. This is their Velvet Touch Creamy Sticks blush. I remember Ankita and I were like just going mad swatching everything at the store. This is in the shade number 6 Geranium, and it is such a lovely shade, and I swatched it on my face at the store, and it is so pigmented, creamy, and the perfect color. Blends so well, and I thought this is something that I absolutely need. I'm always in the lookout for good blushes, and a cream blush looks very natural and like looks like your cheeks are blushing from within. Very easy to use. This is easy to travel with as well. Yeah, I am so excited. I think this was one of my favorite purchases that I made from Kiko. The next thing I got is again from one of their limited edition collections. I don't remember which one exactly. This is their Dark Treasure collection, and this was again at a 50% off, and this is their Rosy Gold Glimmer. This is a beautiful rose gold eyeshadow. Let me quickly swatch it for you guys. See how beautiful that is. The feeling of the eyeshadow is so rich and velvety. It just feels so nice. Feels like a pressed powder almost, like a mousse. But yeah, I am so excited to create like a look with this. Then I also got false eyelashes. These are the individual ones, and I've never really tried them, and I'm very excited to create something using individual lashes. The next thing is actually 2 new lipsticks that I was sent from this brand called Wear. I don't really know how to pronounce it. So someone called Pallavi just called me, and she said that she launched these new lipsticks that she wanted me to try. So I said, okay, send it in. I would love to try. I'm always excited about new lipsticks. And they are called, or their tagline is the Organic Alchemist. So all of it is like organic and everything. These are priced at rupees 900, and this is their Mega Lasting Creme lipstick. I received it and I was like, okay, haven't really tried any one of them. This looks like a very dark, deep burgundy sort of a red. I'll try and swatch it on my hands for you guys. This is what the color looks like. It's quite soft and buttery. This is a deep mauve sort of a color, like a mauvey brown. Yeah, it's a brown with like an orange undertone. Okay, so the next thing is actually this huge box from Beauty Horizon. They sent in a couple of things and I did not get the time to kind of open it, and I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So they're all packed and I haven't seen anything, so this is going to be like a surprise for me. I'm just going to quickly just open and see whatever is there and just pick up stuff randomly out of the box. So the first thing is this Brazilian Kiss lip butter from this brand called Soul, and this is what it looks like. I love me some lip butter, so I'm super excited to try this. Everything is packed and sealed, so I'm going to unbox this right here with you guys. I love the way they have packaged this and sent. So we've got two types of liquid lipsticks. The first one is the melted matte, and this one is the melted lipstick, the melted chocolate lipstick in the shade chocolate cherries, and this one is called Suck It. It's such a beautiful everyday sort of a neutral color, slightly mauvey with a bit of a pink hint to it. Such a beautiful nude for everyday. The next thing is this Dose of Color lipstick, and this is the Desi X Katie collection. Look how stunning the packaging is, and this is in the shade Hey Girl, and it's this beautiful nude again. It's this super creamy formula and a nice cool toned nude. Oh my god, I even have a mini Pat McGrath lipstick. Thank you so much, you guys. Look how beautiful. Even the minis are from Pat McGrath. This is in the shade Obsessed. It's this orangish red color. I am so excited about the lipsticks. Okay, so the next thing is this face brush set from Morphe. This is called the Complexion Goals 5-piece brush collection case. I'm so sorry about the bird chirping so loud in the back. I love this gorgeous bag. It is so nice, and this comes with these 5 brushes, and I think they are all face brushes. So these are the brushes, and they are all in the stunning rose gold packaging. They're all face brushes, so powder, foundation, contour, and highlighter. I am so excited to use them. I've never really used Morphe brushes before, and I am so excited to try them finally. Next we have this Elixir Skin Vitamin C paste. I haven't really heard of this. So this is what the packaging looks like, and it says that this is a quick morning mask that protects and corrects in one, and it is enriched with vitamin C. So this looks really nice. I love my skincare, especially vitamin C, so that's exciting. The next thing we have is this Victoria's Secret pink coconut oil plus vanilla chill out body lotion. Look how cute the packaging is. I really like the packaging of pink, and if it's coconut oil and vanilla, then this is going to smell really good. The next thing I see is an energizing elixir from Ofra. This is what the packaging looks like, and this is anti-aging, soothing, and it renews skin. I haven't really used any of Ofra's skincare, so that looks nice. Then we also have a Garnier Fructis damage repairing treat 1-minute hair mask with papaya extract. I didn't even know they did this. This is really nice. I am looking forward to using this too. The next thing I see is from The Ordinary. This is their high adherence silicone primer. This is their blurring and surface smoothing primer. I've heard such good things about The Ordinary, about their skincare. They call themselves the Abnormal Beauty Company, and this is what the packaging looks like. It is so nice. I love that. I think this is one of the last things in the box. This is ColourPop Luxe lip color. I don't really see the name anywhere. It just says it's number 27. I don't even see it on the packaging, but this is what the color looks like. I love the packaging of their Luxe lipsticks. It has star all over the bullet. Let me swatch the color for you guys. So yeah, it's a very nice brick toned brown lipstick. Lastly, there is something from e.l.f. This is their lip exfoliator, which is clear and transparent. Let's see how this is. This is what the packaging looks like. It looks like a lipstick. Ooh, it's a lipstick with sugar granules in it. So you basically apply it on your lips just like you would with a lipstick, and it scrubs and exfoliates your lip while you use it. This is pretty useful. I really like this. And I think that concludes all of the products that Beauty Horizon sent in. This is a lot. This is a lot, and that is very, very generous of them. Thank you so much. I am so sorry it took me so long to unbox this, but I love each and every one of the products you guys sent in. If you guys want to go check out Beauty Horizon, I'm going to link them down below, their website and their Instagram handle. They're basically this beauty store that you can buy products that are really hard to find in India. So they have like Fenty Beauty, Anastasia, everything that you saw here, like Morphe, Ordinary. And I just realized that they sent in a sweet little note that says if you use the code Debasree, then you are going to get 5% off on all purchases. So that is really sweet. You can go ahead and use them. They have brands like ABH, Morphe, Fenty. Yeah, so if you guys want to go check that out, please do so. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun unboxing everything, showing you all the Kiko products that I shopped for, and see all these international products come in. I am so excited to dig into them, use them in tutorials. This was actually like a Christmas gift for me, which I just unboxed. So I'm so sorry, but better late than never, I guess. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you in my next video. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel for more videos. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Bye.